Hi, welcome to A-Level Geography. I'm Mrs Pimblott and I'm the Head of Geography here at St Margaret Ward. A-Level Geography is taught across two different teachers in Year 12 and Year 13, so you'll have a specialist for physical geography and a specialist for human geography. And the content is split 50-50 across those two separate components. In each year group, you will cover 4 different subjects, 2 in physical geography and 2 in human geography. And then in Year 13, you will also have your NEA assessment, which is your non-examined assessment, basically your coursework component. That equates to 20% of your A-level. In order for you to complete your geography NEA, we complete some field work. That field work is normally completed in Year 12. So we've had a range of field trips previously. We've had residential field trips down to Devon, to Lancashire. We've had trips up to Salford, local area field trips to Trentham. It all depends on where your coursework takes you, basically. You have to be responsible for designing your own coursework title, which is different to everybody else's in the room. So you have a lot of autonomy over that, and it can really set you up for your next steps in your career, whatever that may be. So if you're interested, for example, in a career in law enforcement, you could potentially carry out your NEA looking at crime in your local area, or looking at something political, if that's the sort of career path that you're choosing to take. It really helps with your university applications. In terms of the content, we cover a range of different topics. So in Year 12, for example, we look at coastal landscapes and tectonics on the physical geography side. On the human geography side, we look at topics such as regeneration and globalisation. We also, in Year 13, look at content like water, looking at water issues and water insecurity, and we look at content to do with carbon and energy insecurity and the issues that that can cause. It gets quite geopolitical in Year 13. For example, we will have a look at Donald Trump and his links to gas pipelines. We look at Syria and ISIS and the control of oil fields. Human geography, you'll look at superpowers and globalisation. So there are a lot of links to other subjects as well, which geography will sit really nicely with at A-level. It's a really interesting course. We have a lot of discussion, particularly in Year 13. A lot of your content is actually given to you already, ready for lessons, because we do spend a lot of it discussing, evaluating some of these impacts. And generally we have a really nice time in lessons, and we're really proud to say that we get some really good relationships between our classes and our students. If you have any other questions about A-Level Geography, please feel free to contact me. My email is abrocckley, BROCKLEY, at smwca.org.uk, and I'd love to answer any more questions that you may have. Thanks, and hopefully see you soon in A-Level Geography. Bye.